What's up and welcome back. Like I always say, it's your man Jaden, and it's already October 5th, 2020. This is insane. We're already on month 10. This is month 6 of my journey so far. So I'm half a year into my journey, you could say. And it's been a pretty crazy one. As I've said before, I've passed my goal of 2020 was to pass 6900. And right now I'm at 7200, which is crazy, like in shock, but it's only going up, compound interest. I did mark another goal, was I hit the 8K mark, at least right now in the aftermarket. Today is Monday, October 5th, in the aftermarket. So I passed 8,000. I'm in shock. I'm surprised. I was not expecting myself to be this high. Compound interest playing such a role. Dividends coming in, out. Like, it's crazy. This is a pretty good week. I'm at a 17% return on the portfolio, which is pretty good if you ask me. One thing I want to show you guys was the month of September, like, hurt me. Like, ouch. Like, I went from the highest, let's say, the highest being 7,812 to my lowest being 7,400. Remember, in between all those weeks, in those couple weeks, I'm investing money. So $7,434 was my lowest time I was in September, which is actually low if you do the math out. So it's whatever, but I bounced back. I'm at a 17% rate return. And remember, it's a long-term dividend portfolio. I'm not here for today. I'm here for tomorrow, which is the dividends, and that's always going to be here. Well, I'm hoping, at least with what the companies I've invested in. But anyways, let's go over to my activities, and let's see what I did for this week. So this week I did one buy, and yes, once again, that one buy was to ATMT. And as you can see, those dividends are coming in because I only put 100 in weekly, and now this time I was able to put $114.57 coming in due to dividends coming in. You guys might ask, all right, what dividends are giving you that money? So you're gonna see over here, October 1st, I was given by Coca-Cola $6.80, which is pretty good for a Coca-Cola. That's pretty damn good. It's a stable company. The Coca-Cola is always something to have in your portfolio. Let me just say that. And NRK is a monthly dividend trust bond, financial fund, you could say. Learn about them. It's too much to explain, but all right. So you want to update my ATMC, but first let me go over here. So right now, on a weekly basis, I'm making 276. Not like on a weekly. On a not yet, at least. On an annual, my annual income would be $276. This read about my portfolio is false, right here. That is incorrect. I am up 850, I believe, in gains right now, so that's wrong. That's just basing it off of this Apple average cost, which is still wrong. It just needs to get edited. Whoever's the person of this site needs to fix that. But what is correct is my estimated annual income, which is 276. And what I want to do is I want to go fix that up. So let's go over to T, press edit. And why I do these videos is to see how much compound interest plays in, how much dividends I'm getting, how my journey is going, how it's growing. Like, it's crazy. Like, and I'm telling you guys, get into this. It's crazy. I'm only 6 months in. I'm at 8K already. Who knows how it is 5 years down the line, 10. And who knows? Just dividends paying all your bills. Like, you never know. So let me go on to ATMT. And I've been going into ATMT due to the fact that their ex-dividend date is coming through. And they're actually, they had a little dip, so I just bought into the dip. So that was a win-win, you could say. So right now, I own 25 shares of ATM, so 25 and a quarter shares. So let's see this. This is at 21 and a quarter. So now I own, like I said, 25.25. 379, and cost per share is $29.70. So it's dropping. I'm dropping my cost per share for sure. $29.70, and edit. And as you can see, that's another $7 just got into my annual income. I remember it was at 276 prior, and now it's at 284 is my annual income. My estimated annual income is $284. So I'm moving up, and it's doing good. My goal is to get, well, let me announce another goal that I have. Another goal that I have is to get $33 a month in dividends. And to do that, you got to do 33 times 12. And I know 33 times 11 is 333 times 12, so $366 around there. You need $366 annually in order to get to that goal that I have, which is possible and which is something doable. Anything's doable. We're moving at a very fast rate. Compound interest will help you. It's like a snowball. It's the snowball effect. Those of you guys who don't know what the snowball effect is pretty much you start on something and you build. Keep building, and it's gonna grow just like a snowball. If you let it fall from the top, it's gonna contract more, and it's just gonna keep on rolling. It's gonna be very good. It's an empire you're building. That is what I'm doing over here. So that's it for this week, pretty much. Just have any questions, comment below. Anything you want to know, let me know. I'm going into AT&T due to their high paying dividends, and they had a little dip, so I bought in the dip. So it was good timing, and overall, that's what I did this week. I won by, but for sure, comment, let me know what you think, give me some ideas, and thank you for watching.